lovely as always.
Thank you. How are you?
Good. Now we're starting out. We're live on Facebook. You just joined in right time. Okay. So I first of all thank you everyone. This is Expose at 9 with Kavita Kapoor Khalsa, and I would like to introduce you a very dynamic couple, Ronak and Shiksha Shah. They are from Ahmedabad, and Ronak is an entrepreneur with e-commerce, and a very aware soul. Okay, and I shall let you know how that works. Shiksha Shah is the one who has actually driven him to in that direction. She's a textile designer and a new mom actually, and supremely aware is how Ronak would like to put it. So I wanted to have a couple on expose because I think the way they are coming up with their relationship, and it's more like a creationship is what I would like to say. And I would like you guys to know more that how access can change and make beautiful relationships. In fact, needless to say that their baby is an access baby. She's just turned 1 year and a little few more months, more than a year. She is angelic. Every child is, of course, but angelic to the extent that she's an access baby. And I want you to hear it from the couple themselves. I've been waiting for them. Last week we couldn't have them because they were tied up. And thank you for culling out time from your busy schedule. So thank you for being on.
Thank you so much, Dee.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you. So I begin my question with what gets you into access consciousness? Like, how did you kind of find access consciousness, and what gets you into it?
So we were like really unaware that what is healing, and we were not knowing anything about healing modules and nothing about Reiki also, nothing. But I got a message from Kavita Di that she's gonna have some workshop upon bars and also such things, and not knowing and not getting into the detail and not going in beyond, I mean, into the details that what is it and how it's gonna be. She just said it's a one-day workshop, and we were like, chalo, let's try. And we both were like discussing the previous day of the class, and we were like, there's gonna be some massage or what is it, like a spa session or what, I don't know. And I was really excited that this is gonna be fun. What is it? I don't know. When we got into that, the first day itself changed so much, and I got into such a new world. I was like, dude, where we were and what is this? I mean, this is so different than what we actually lived. I mean, we were living a fake life.
So basically, so it's not like कि आपको कोई परेशानी थी कि आप इसमें
No. Yes, just with the fun energy, and knowing that, just to know that what is it about, and just to
explore something new.
Explore something new. We were like, chalo, let's try. And when
lot of people say कि अरे हमें जब बीमार होंगे परेशान होंगे तब सोचेंगे. That's why I call them a unique couple, simply because they're just exploring and want to have more fun in life,
So yes, we never had any issue, neither with health or financially or in relationship. But
no, but I want to come here and say that after access we had not many issues. we fight a lot. It's like it is like it's, I want it like this, and this is the way I would like to have it, my way, and this is things that gone. I mean.
So, we have started being more of ourselves.
Yeah.
And this is the first step towards being in allowance of each other. So first you'll fight, and then you will come to a freezing point. Say, okay, I'll be in allowance of this.
So people say their life before marriage and after marriage. We say that before access and after access. So before access, we were like all fake in the relationship itself. Like, हाँ तुम जो बोल रहे हो वह सही है, तुम ये बोल रहे हो हाँ ये सही है, तुम जो करो वो ठीक है, तुम जो खाओ वो मुझे खाना है, तुम चलो तो मुझे चलना है.
That's so much of a pressure.
Yes.
And I would like to say that this was unsaid. So there was no pressure from either of us. But unknowingly, we were being like this into relationship.
Because that was implanted from years and years. That
we might have seen or heard it.
Yeah, this how you're gonna be in a marriage, in a relationship. This how marriage is sustained. This how relationship would go on.
करना पड़ता है. It's okay. Suppress करना पड़ता है. Sacrifice, compromise. Okay, these are the words for marriage.
These words no more exist for us now.
नहीं, शादी मतलब एक्सेस के पहले
Yeah.
ये
Yes, yes, yes.
खिलाए गए थे हमको, एंड देन
True.
हम उस हिसाब से उस चीज को देखने लगते हैं. सो यस, बट अब अगर मैं स्पेसिफिकली भी पूछूं कि क्या बदला एक्सेस के बाद, जैसे तुमने इनकॉर्पोरेट कर लिया, कुछ एक एग्जांपल देके अगर समझाओ, लाइक कुछ एक्सपीरियंस अपना.
Me, I say access is like a language.
Yeah.
I don't have to, like, we are not practicing now. We don't have to put pressures upon us that no, keep saying who does this belong to, no, interesting point of view, no this, no that.
Yeah.
Instantly it happens that our energy shifts. Like,
Yeah.
if something situation happens, and if we just give a thought that what would be doing in this situation before access, it was like angry and irritating and furious and this and this and this.
Fear and
Yes, yes, fear.
सारे इमोशंस जो आ जाते हैं.
So I would like to add upon this. It's a language, and it is a way to live, a way to be.
Okay.
Because now a lot of things comes to us so naturally that we don't get agitated so easily.
Yeah.
You know, our level of acceptance or maybe allowance is pretty high. I would not
Allowance,
say acceptance.
yes,
Allowance.
No, but
And
I
it's like-
love Shisha's experience of changing her body just by listening to her body. I think she is such a what aware soul, तो तुमने कहा ही था, but वो 10 किलो बिना वर्कआउट करे उसने जो घटाया, I think that was.
So she had a painless pregnancy.
Wow.
Didi,
No
entire
problem.
9 months, no pregnancy symptom. I did not even realize that I came through all the 9 months ka journey. Then after 9 months also, like my mother-in-law, my mom used to say that if you don't get massage your body, you'll fall ill. If you don't eat this, your
Example of being aware. She chose a
Aware.
lot of things which were very much against what our parents were asking to do us. So one
Yeah.
would be she should get massage. Our baby should get massage from masseurs who are doing for
Malish
kids.
wali, yes.
Yeah.
And I was like, no, I want to create that bond with my child, so I'm gonna massage her. So many
Wow.
people were coming and saying that no, she'll not able to walk soon, she'll not
They
be
would
able to see
pinpoint
this,
faults.
and she's weak, she's this, she's that. I said, whatever she is, I am her mother. I'm gonna take care of her and her body in a way that no masseur can take that part. And I don't want to create that bond in someone else and my daughter. I wanted that bond between me and my daughter.
Wonderful.
And Didi, trust me, I'm so proud of myself that I am a mother of such a beautiful child. I'm so happy that
Me too.
Wow.
it's really amazing. I feel like sometimes I cannot express to people that please love your babies in the way that no exceptions and no expectations and nothing. You just keep loving them. It is bound to happen. That, and Didi, it's like I feel that I'm passionately in love with her. I'm crazy.
So
And,
no, and you melted your extra weight also. You know, it's
Yeah.
amazing. That
Didi,
that
I didn't put on lot of
There
weight.
is no change in her weight pre
Yeah.
and post pregnancy.
Yeah, people used to say that in pregnancy you did not put on weight because you did not eat well. I was saying, no, it's not that. There's
No, even
relation.
before pregnancy, you lost. I know that 10 kgs. You had just. You said I asked my body for everything, and with no
Yes.
help
Yeah.
workout,
Yes,
you have actually released your weight.
I realized, Didi, even for water, people have said this thing like implanted हो गया है कि पानी पियो तो शरीर अच्छा है, पानी पियो तो शरीर अच्छा है. So people are like crazily just drinking water and water. I'm like, कि ask your body about water also.
Yeah.
Like 6 ग्लास चाहिए क्या 10 ग्लास चाहिए, कितना चाहिए
I
बॉडी से
would say
समझो.
ask for oxygen as well.
Energy. So, yeah. So asking your body, people, it's a muscle test that we do normally, and it's these are the classes that we kind of conduct, and we encourage people to learn more. And ये relationship मैंने उनका grow होते हुए देखा है. So I love them, and that's the reason I wanted to have them over. So where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Like, how do you see yourself? कैसा लगता है?
Super, Didi. We have evolved. We have grown.
I've
And
seen.
every
Yeah.
single day we are growing. And previously we would be like that. We want to achieve this. We want to get a big house, big car. That would be the
Yeah.
general goals.
Yes.
Now our goals are to be more conscious, to be more present.
Yes.
So much to an extent that when we speak to someone, we can exactly know what that person is actually saying, and not just what words are coming out.
Yeah,
And be grateful of every. Now this is something lately, Didi, of lately I'm practicing a lot, to be grateful of everything
Yeah.
I'm having around. Because if you're not grateful, we are judging that thing.
Yes.
Of course, when there is gratitude, there is no judgment. What happens is
Yes.
it takes years to come to this realization that, oh, negative person, no, but he's also a contribution.
Yeah.
Yes.
But these many years of access of regularly being in that energy, I think brings you to a point where you are able to see that as a gratitude.
You know, now excess is not leaving us. I feel that. Like, छोड़ नहीं रहा है अब. Even if I feel like I don't want to use this, or I want to live my normal, I feel if there's some pain also in my body, automatically my body will say MTVSS, and this and this and this and this. I'm like, dude.
Yeah.
So yes, because of access, there are barely any physical problems that we have in our life, because there are so many tools. Then most of them are cured by
even if
just
we
the
have
tools.
physical problems,
That is not a problem.
Yes. Problem,
Yeah.
yes.
Possibilities. You're not seeing problems.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
few words before you leave. Few words that you would like to share with your, like अपने हम उम्र के लिए या लोगों के लिए कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
You take this first, then I'll go with this.
Both of you. I want to hear from both of you. What would you like to tell the world around you? What contribution would you want to give them?
Yeah, so for me it is like I'm not I'm not asking them to pursue something like access or this energy or this module or this is this. I just want everybody around to be more conscious and to be more grateful.
Yeah.
I see, Didi, these days, like people are not grateful of each other. Yeah, they are not in that zone only. They are like kiya to kiya, uska bhi matlab hoga. They are not being present that yes, we should be grateful of this person or this and that. So gratitude is a much required thing in the society.
Yes.
And to be present, to be more conscious, that's it. And love each other, be happy, be joyous.
Enjoying life, I think.
Yes.
She would be so present in our day-to-day life that many times it would be like I would say something which I would not be knowing it, that I'm saying it, it's a lie, right? She would quickly pick it up, and it would take me some time, to be with that thing and to actually get into it. That was it true? And I would be like, oh shit, then why was I even saying that thing?
Yeah.
So that's the magic of being present.
Yeah, that's unconscious programming.
Yeah.
Autopilot mode that we are in.
Yes.
That's over, and I'm like, I didn't say this. Oh, did I? It's something on those lines. Yeah. Lovely. So, what would you like to say?
So I would like to say, first of all, you don't need to have any problems. This is way beyond healing. I don't term it as healing.
Yeah.
It's an experience. So guys, even if you don't wish to pursue it, just experience it once.
Once, twice, thrice, 5 times, 10
They
times.
might not stop after that.
Keep experiencing. So you can always connect with them. One of them is definitely on Facebook, so you can connect with them. He's good with entity clearings as well, because he's done the advanced levels.
There are a lot of things that there are there in Access, which we are also getting used to with. So it is endless world of possibilities and tools. So wherever, anywhere, if you are feeling that you are stuck or you are, having no choice or no options, I would say just try it once.
Yeah, you won't get stuck, and your life will flow the way you never imagined it to be. And if you need any kind of relationship tips, also, I think they're very good with it. And it's
relationship and parenting.
Yes,
she would excel it.
Yeah, so what will it take for you to start off your own mini workshops? Like you amazingly, share your experience. I think that itself will contribute to the world. And we also have
keep saying me that Ronak keep asking me.
I've said this several times.
He's saying that even if you don't want to share with people, just keep writing what you are doing. Just keep a blog of everything.
I know you won't do it because you're too good at it. You won't do it. You don't want to share it with the world. You're too good. So we have our, just wanted to tell people, 30th, we'll have our foundation class coming up. In case people want to know more, you can text us. And thank you guys. You were awesome. Thank you for being there. And this was amazing. And we'll come up with our next episode of Expose next week, same time, same day, not like the same day, Wednesday, 9 p.m. So just like, I'll just stop this.